back.
Got him! Got him!
Put it back. No, put it back. To shed weight, use a lighter diff, lighter drive shaft, complete fiberglass body, and send the driver to the gym. Okay, get dressed. Let's go.
This video was made possible by Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Hi everyone, I'm Sara Misir and I drive the infamous Tech Pass Boy car.
Watch your temperatures.
Hey guys, so I'm back here on 876 Streets as I love to be. We're here testing, first day to finally get some good runs in. However, unfortunately with the rain, some wet runs in, so we'll see how that goes. The first one we got semi-dry was pretty good. Didn't go flat out, but we were pretty good. Nothing fell off the car, so that's always a great thing. Brakes working, was clearing, felt good, stable, handling well. I was happy about it. So we came in to do temperature checks, pressure checks, everything was good. So then the rain came down, so now we're just waiting on the track to ease up a little bit to head back out. So, as it has been fluttering around, I have entered a competition called Formula Woman, and that is a GT series in Europe. Well, in the actual competition, you can actually look it up. It's the GT4 Euro series, and it ranges from the BMW GT, the Mercedes, McLarens, Porsches, all the supercars. So this is a spot to race with McLaren in the GT series that races in Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Belgium, around Europe. And this competition was opened up worldwide to all women because it's called Formula Woman. So it's to promote women in the racing world. So out of hundreds of thousands of applicants they must have received, they have narrowed it down to, I think, I could be wrong in the number, but it was 10,000 applicants. So now they have been doing assessments in the UK, in Europe, and now they emailed me, and I think the assessment for the US is in September or October. So hopefully after these assessments they're going to pick their top few to have a last competition, I think top 16 or 15, and the top 2 get to race in the series next year for the 2022 series. So tomorrow I'm leaving to head back to the US, and hopefully I'm going to try and get some training days in the simulator in Miami. So how the assessment works is that we go with a driving instructor, one of their trainees from McLaren, and they drive us around the track in their selected vehicles for the day at Skip Barber Racing School. And they drive us around a couple of times, and then we drive them. And how they assess it is natural capabilities, how we are, it's also social media aspect, me as a person, all the applicants, and they select the people that they want to represent Formula Woman, as well as the best people fit for that car.
I'll put it all the way back and plug it. It's all the way back now. It's all the way back now.
Well, as much as I'd love for Jamaica to be a part of it, the most that they can do is for the support behind it. You know, we're looking for for sponsorships to help with the simulators for moving forward for trainings, and we're looking for just the country support for me to move and be the first Jamaican and the first woman to compete in the GT4 series. So far they've said that I'm the only one in the Caribbean who has applied. But it was like 195 the whole time for the last 2 laps I did. I started coming up, and then when I started hit 202, I turned on the oil fan. The car honestly feels amazing, feels the best it's ever felt, handling wise, stopping wise, confidence wise in the car. It feels reliable, and I can feel much more power than we did in the last season. Unfortunately, in the last season we were always on lip mode because we always had issues with tuning, so I never could really clear the car past 8,000 RPM. However, we changed at 10,300 RPM around that, so we did lack in a lot of power, but now we finally have it clearing. We have good, the tuning is good, the handling is amazing, and now we're just ready to set some times and see where we go from there. The water was fine.
Water didn't come up this time?
No. Well, we're finally able to put the car up to a little bit more pressure on it now. We've carried it back up to 10,300, which is where I'm supposed to be changing. And we're having a little bit of issue with voltage and the oil fan coming in and enough air coming into the oil to cool it down. But we're trying to solve that problem. But other than that, the car feels really good. Hopefully now I can put some more pressure on it and get some good times and see where that goes. So, but I'm happy, can't complain. You know, I definitely couldn't do it without my team, Miss River Racing team, all of them, the head mechanic, everyone. Couldn't do it without them. Of course, if you guys want to follow along, my Instagram is Sara Misir, just my name. I'll be posting all my updates for the car there, and of course I need to give a big shout out to my sponsors, and I could not do it without them, including Lubit and Fuel Depot, which are the sole distributors of 93 in the country right now. And of course a big shout out to 876 Streets, always coming out and always supporting. Thank you.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.